Hello folks, Sid Miramontes here with Miramontes Capital. And I want to talk to you about what to do when your portfolios are up. Recently the market's had a pretty good run and quite a few portfolios are up a decent amount. So one thing I want you to consider are, many times in the past when people have had portfolios run up a good amount, and as you've had probably in the past years when you had a stock portfolio with a particular company stock that you may have worked at over many years period of time, you may have seen the portfolio stock move up significantly. And what happened? Well, many folks sat there and watched the portfolio go up and up and up and expected that portfolio would continue performing, and sometime in the future that portfolio may have had a sharp drop in it and you may not have taken advantage of your profits. What we want to make sure that you do is that you look at your portfolio anywhere from once to twice a year and look at rebalancing that portfolio. And what that means is, quite simply, just to use a simple example, let's say that you had a very simple portfolio and you had that invested in 4 different pieces. And let's say you had 25% invested in each one of these areas. Well, let's say that one piece of your portfolio were to move up and now has become 40% of your portfolio. Well, you're going to want to rebalance that portfolio anywhere from once to twice a year and move that money back in line and get each one of the investments back to a 25% piece. In this way, you balance your portfolio, you're able to take your gains and take them and move them into investments that are a little more discounted in price. But that's how you make sure that the portfolio stays in balance, that it doesn't get out of whack where you have too much risk in any one particular area, because too often we see with retirees, one portfolio ends up performing significantly well, and then you wait and wait and wait because you think it's going to continue performing, and then of course we see a sharp drop. We don't want to see that in your portfolios. You want to balance the portfolios, make sure the ride is as smooth as possible. So we use rebalancing to make sure that you stay in balance and take advantage of the upsides of the markets. So with those and any other questions, folks, we look forward to your time. Thanks so much.